Hi everyone. So welcome back to the lesson 2 of the program. So let's register with golden goose, and after that we are going to CPA group also. So if you check your overfold, you see golden goose is very common. Some of you might have come across this golden goose on your social media or your browsers. So just click on it, golden goose. I love it because I use it a lot. So just click on sign to golden goose. Can you see? So just click on it. The real name is gg.agency. gg.agency. So you can type that on your browser also, gg.agency. So you can sign. So you can sign in 2 ways. You can sign with your Google account, and you can also log in with your email. Let's just enter. So these are my emails. So let's use this one. Choose any of your email and click on continue. So after you click on your email, so then you can choose any of your manager. So let's choose messenger rather. Let's choose messenger. I normally use Telegram. So click on it and choose Telegram. If you have Skype, you can choose Skype and then enter your username. Let me enter my username. So I've entered my username, so click on it. So it said to access the offer, please fill out the form. So click on OK, let's do that. So then this is where they are going to ask you some questions. Please, I want you guys to pay close attention to this, because these questions are going to determine whether they are going to accept you or not. So the first question is, please tell us, how did you hear about Golden Grace? So you can choose any of the option here. They said online media about marketing. So you can click on this, click on overvote, and then click on continue. He said, do you have any traffic monetization experience? I said, yes, I have experience. So it said, what kind of traffic do you prefer to work with? So click on mainstream, and then you can click on adult also, because that one also, it brings money. So it said, what niche or vertical do you work in? So let's choose dating, crypto, finance, e-commerce. Okay, choose sweepstake, video on demand, gambling and betting. So you can choose all of them, it's left to you. So but those are the ones that I choose. For me, that'll be easy for me. So how do you earn from your traffic? I'm a media buyer. I work with free traffic. I'm a website owner. I'm a mobile app owner. So these are the 3 set of people that they are looking for. Is that you buy traffic, or you have your own media that is producing you traffic. So for me, I have a website. So but for the sake of those that are watching this, so I'll just choose another option. So I can say I'm a media buyer. So they said, give us more details about your paid traffic source. So you can click on content local, add network, click on pop-up, propeller, Astera, and then click on order. Also we can write timebox.com. so you can write that, and then you can write sprout geek.gigs.com. So you can leave it like that. So just click on continue, and then searching your approximate monthly earning as an affiliate marketer. So for me, I'll just choose the list. So your most profitable region, that is the region that you like to focus on. Most of the time I focus on Russia, and then India, then Nigeria, and then Canada. So click on continue. Then they said, thank you for your answer. We provide customer recommendation for your traffic shortly. In the meantime, please check out SmartLink, the fastest way to test traffic by yourself. So you can just say tell us some more if you're okay. I don't have. Okay, this one is optional. Just click on complete, and before you know it, they will get back to you straight away. You can see immediately I can promote offers from Nigeria. You can see you have already registered. Then you start grabbing your link and then send to others. So for you to grab your links, you can see this one. I love this offer. This one is paying $0.4. So this one is 0.2, 0.4, 0.4. So let's just try and get our offer. Let's go on it. So it said view details and get link. Okay, your manager will be assigned within 24 hours. So until your manager is assigned, okay, I think you can get link here also. You can get link. Let's check. Okay, yeah, this is your link. This is your link. You copy it, and then this is what you are going to be promoting to others. Can you see? So that's just it. That's what you are going to be promoting to others. This link here, this is what you are going to be promoting to others. So that's how to grab your link. I think that one is very clear and it doesn't take much of our time. So that's just it. So if you have any question, you are free to ask any question and I'm available to answer your question. So that's just it. That's how to get your link, and in the next 24 hours your manager will be assigned to you. Then you can chat with your manager. You can even ask him or her some of questions that you think is not straightforward to you or you don't understand. So that's just how to get the promotion link. So this is what you are going to copy and send to anybody that is going to perform your offer. So it's as simple as that. So thank you so much. This is the lesson 2. So let's go to the other one that is very common, which is the CPA group, where we have many people that is using it because it's very easy to cheat. CPA group is very easy. You can use what we call self-clicking. I've used it sometimes ago. I just stop it. So it's very easy. They don't really have. Then let me show you the link. Okay. That one is on that. Goes on his own. So that's just it. So thank you so much for being patient. Thank you so much. God bless you.